Oh, look at that.
That's classic.
Hello everybody, we are here in Calverton. Yes, I'm back at Killer Farm, better known as Upper Weald Farm. This is the one that tried to kill me, and I'm back. And I'm not on my own, because I've got company with me. Say hello, company.
Hello.
There you go. Right. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this lovely tour of an abandoned farm. Right, here we go. There's the killer house, we'll do that last.
Scared cat.
I'm not scared. I'm still getting twinges from my fucking ribs. Yeah, no, not again, please. Right, let's have a look in this one first.
Well, I found an old vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, maybe she used it to tidy the place up. Ooh.
Oh, that's nice.
What? Oh, Beck's Crocs on the wall. Yeah.
Stop HS2.
Obviously didn't like the idea of that. That outbuilding here.
Oh, there's still hay.
Yeah.
The animals were ducking around.
As I say, this used to be a dairy farm. Keep closed. No, we'll leave it open. Not much in this room here. Right. Okay. And you've got a big barn here.
Bed. Bit of hay for animals to sleep in.
Hey, hey, hey!
That's right. We've got a flipping cow carcass here.
Oh, don't. Last fucking farm, one farm I did, I found a fucking dead lamb.
Aww.
Decomposing away quite nicely as well. I know. And so we don't know how long this place has been closed. A bit of a while. Yeah. Oh. Nice view from the backyard though.
I wish I had a backyard like this.
Yeah, you know that. That's all. That's Fairfields and what is it over that way?
I just envision all the stuff I could do with this patch of land. Like,
Oh yeah, mate. Have a little roadway going all the way around the edge of your field, so you could just drag your Land Rover, your car
I
around.
should have a little Lego city just in the middle of the
A
field.
Lego city. I like it.
Yeah, in the middle of the field. That'd be interesting.
Yeah.
Maps.
God, with all this bloody hay and that, it's an arsonist fucking dream. Set fire to this lot, just watch the whole fucking place go up.
Yeah, go ahead.
No.
Give it payback for giving you the crack this.
Burn the fucker down and try to kill me.
I just don't like a cig then, otherwise.
Nah.
Bugs. Oh, it stinks now.
That smells something funky. I'm not quite sure what the hell that was, but...
This is like a shit house. The vents were installed in.
It could be farming fucking chemicals or something. Oh, it's just an old door. There's an old room in there. Right, so we've explored that, we've got to get around here now. More cocks on the wall.
Zombie bastard likes cocks.
Yeah. All this junk here.
Train cars.
Ow, that's got electric crap, that is.
No, you're gonna, I know you're gonna fucking kill yourself again.
I know. I've got a death wish. Right. Let's just have a... Just watch your ankles, buds.
Oh.
I ain't give a shit about myself again, but I'm worried about you. Old feeding sheds. Feeding trough there.
I stepped on a nail.
Oh, didn't go through your shoes, did it?
I felt like it.
Now, if that had gone through, I think I'd have heard a whacking great ouch!
That wasn't an ow.
Well, it didn't sound like a very ow to me.
Yeah.
Alright, let's stop this a minute and record again. Right. Note to self, tell someone's mum to go and get himself a tetanus shot.
No, I don't think it breaks the skin, so it's fine.
They say it's not a very big farm, but
Fucking dangerous.
yeah, it's fucking dangerous, deadly. I mean, maybe the previous owners just died here. You know, building foul play or some shit. Oh, there's an old shed over there in the back of the bushes. Anybody want any pot plants?
I ain't going for them, obviously.
Okay. Ooh. A rickety old shed. What we got in here? Ooh. Plant pots, doors, couple of, and an old paraffin heater. Bloody hell! It's a long time since I've seen one of them buggers. Right, we're now exploring some more sheds here. Ain't exactly got much in them. There's a load of old firewood and stuff. That's it for the outbuildings. Now we've just got the house. Oh, okay, you just wait out here, are you?
Yeah, I'll wait out here.
Okay then, sweetheart. Right. There's the house. The house that tried to kill me. Right. There's the front door. Oh, bloody sun on this, I can hardly see what I'm looking at. And here we have the entrance. And we go into the first room. Please, dear house, do not try to kill me. I haven't been mean to you, so don't be mean to me again. Right. This might be a bit shaky, guys, because I've had to take steady thing off because I can't use it with the light. But here we have the kitchen. Oh, I just stood on a nail myself. Right, see them holes up there? That's what I fell through, and that's what I hit all my ribs and shit off of. It hurt. Nice wooden fires around there. This is the kitchen, I would take it. Just really trying to watch out for any more fucking holes in the floor. Apparently the electric supply is still coming in. Interesting. Yeah, I find myself looking at the floor quite a lot. No more fucking holes. Oh shit. What we got around here? Oh, washing machine, dryer, boiler, Okay. Turn around. Right, so this is the kitchen. There's the living room we just came through. A quick look at batteries around in here properly. There's a fireplace, fire's around. Right, let's head upstairs. Radiator by the front door there. This is the hallway. Or the landing, should I say. Yeah, I patched the holes up in the floor so I don't do the disappearing acts. Right. Here we have the bathroom. Oh, nice. Careful, Joe, careful. Look, original old brass door handles. Another bedroom here. Still see the original wallpaper. Tried nicking the fire surround. Looking. Look at the amount of bird nest crap in there, man. Oh, what's the date on some of these newspaper bits? Have a look at some dates. Let me get some dates. Sunday Citizen, April 22nd, 2001. So that's been clogged up a long time. Right. And here, in we go without falling through the floor. All the stickers on the door. Someone was a fan of Girls Aloud. This might have been the kids' bedroom then at some point. There's a cupboard. Again, metal surround being pulled out from the wall. Oh, look at that, isn't nice? The shelving. Well, yep, that's it pretty much for in here. Not again. I am not doing this again. No, I am not. Right. Walk down the stairs. So, we've actually been back to the killer farmhouse. Right, I'm going to turn this camera around because I'm blinding myself. Right, there is the tour of Upper Weald Dairy Farm. So, creep out here. And there we go, peeps. Right, well, that's it for our lovely tour of this farmhouse and the little farmyard. It's time for us to now call a taxi to get us home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And if anyone else comes down here for it to explore, remember, I've already put wood over the hole so you don't fall through it like I did. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye. Catch you later, peeps. Doodle beeps.